You mix it?
Yeah.
What do you put inside? You both have really great skin. I was wondering if you could give me a skincare tip. Yeah, it's not natural. What do you use?
I use Vaseline.
Yeah, Vaseline.
Most
And just
of
you
the
put it
time.
on your skin.
Yeah, and I use my kitchen herbs, you know.
Oh
mix
yeah.
it and-
You mix it.
yeah.
Oh, what's the ingredients? What do you put inside?
Turmeric.
Turmeric. Yeah.
And yogurt
Oh, okay.
and ginger. That's it.
Yeah. And how about yourself? Do you?
Moisturizer.
Okay, see. And any cleanser or?
CeraVe.
So we have Benjamin Buttermilk, and there's yeah, and there's collagen inside.